Hey everyone, sorry I couldn't be in class tonight, but I am here to present to you my service learning proposal. So my proposed project is called Mindfulness Managed, and hopefully if you're a Harry Potter fan you can figure out what this is, but I'm not an artist, so this is supposed to look like the Marauders map. Because essentially the Marauders map was used to help students in tricky situations, and I'm hoping this website that I am proposing can help students in tricky situations. So, like I said, a website is kind of what I'm proposing, and this website would all be for stress management and mindfulness. So there would be different tabs on the website, including stuff such as how to meditate, how to journal, maybe a 15-minute yoga tutorial or a 15-minute workout tutorial, stress management with finances or nutrition or bullying or friendship or anything. The list goes on, and ultimately students would be able to put input into this website to tell me what they want to see. So that is kind of the proposal of what I want to do for the main part of it. And where the students come in is, like I said, they could tell me the stuff they want to see on the website. They could tell me if they wanted the aesthetic of the website changed, because I want to create something that they want to use. There's another component within the school that I am hoping to do, and that would be mindfulness days. So once a month we would have these mindfulness days, and before the mindfulness days happened, I would have a group of students, whether it's the peer helpers or an actual group of students that is helping with the website, make connections within the community. So whether that's calling or going in person to businesses such as a yoga studio or even the grocery store and asking if there's any unwanted produce to have like a mindfulness snack break, stuff like that where students are doing the communicating. They're doing the connections within the community to try and build up the students within the school and get students to see what's outside of the school for them and for their future. So there would be that component of the mindfulness days as well as the website where students would be able to contribute what they want to see. So there is a mental health website through the Greater Essex School Board, but the mental health website is much more of a where to get help, how to find help, and how to know if you need help. Whereas this one would be more of a before. So if you were struggling with something, whether you were stressed for a test or you were just stressed about something going on at home, you'd be able to go to this website and maybe just try something. Try and find something that might help, and if it doesn't, then you can try different avenues in terms of mental health and maybe going to the board website. But ultimately, we see students through the school hours. We don't see what happens when they go home. Maybe coming to school is the least stressful part of their day, so I want to create something that will be there for them outside of the school hours. And hopefully through the website and also building those community connections, they'll be able to have something outside of the school hours where they'll be able to start to build themselves as people and as community members. Because I think that's a really important skill, and especially with the risk and resiliency model, because students can be in risk, but it's how we nurture them throughout that they can kind of come out on the other side. And I think this website is one way to do that, because they're doing self-discovery. They're discovering what works for them so that when they go out into the real world with a problem or an issue that they're having, they've already done research on how to help themselves before with some guidance. And so now when they have to do it outside of the walls of school, they might have a better idea of what works for them or how to do something. So I really hope that this website can be in tandem with the school board and with other schools eventually before I leave after 2 years here. And I hope you like the proposal, and I'm excited to hear feedback.